Okay, here's another example of some mixture problems, and this is a little bit different than some of the other ones we've been doing. Two kinds of coffee are blended together, one worth $5.85 a pound, the other one worth $4.50 a pound. In this blend, the amount of the 450 coffee is 7 pounds less than twice the amount of the 585 coffee. How much of each kind of coffee should be used in order to make the total value of this blend, or of the blend, $265.50? So we've got two kinds of coffee. One is $5.85 a pound, so $5.85 coffee, and we've got $4.50 coffee. All right. And the value, this would be, and sometimes we can do these all in cents, so we don't have to worry about the decimals. So we can say it's 585 cents. And $4.50 would be 450 cents. All right. And we want the total value. We're going to multiply these across. So we're going to get a value of this coffee and the value of the 450 coffee. So the value of the 585 and the value of the 450 coffee, depending on how many pounds we're going to use. And that we want that total value to add up to be, and it says $265.50 or 26,550 cents. Okay, you can do all in cents if you want. Now we have to figure out the amounts. Now you have to go back and read the problem. It says the amount of the 450 coffee is 7 pounds less than twice the amount of the 585 coffee. So if I know the 585 coffee, I can find the 450. In other words, the 450, the amount of the 450 coffee is in terms of the 585 coffee. So watch out for this isn't might throw you off. So I'm going to let the 585 be X. So the amount of the 585 coffee is X, then what's the amount of the 450? Well, it says the amount of the 450 coffee is 7 pounds less than twice the amount of the 585 coffee. So twice the amount of the 585 coffee would be 2X. That would be twice the amount, but it's going to be 7 pounds less than that, so I'll subtract 7 from that. And that's the amount of the 450 coffee I have. And then these just multiply across, so we don't need to worry about the total amount we have. We can figure it out easy enough just by adding those values, but and we'll get each value. In other words, how much of each kind of coffee should be used in order to make a total blend of the 265.50. So we'll multiply across, and I get 585 times X plus 450 times 2X minus 7. And there's my equation. So 585X plus 450 times 2X minus 7 equals 26,550 cents. And then I can distribute over here. So I get 585X. And 450 times 2 would be 900X. And minus 7 times 450 is going to be 3150. And that's going to equal the 26,550. So I can combine my x's, so 585 plus 900 would be 1485. 30 minus 3150 would equal the 26,550. And I'll add 3150 to both sides. And you always want to check your algebra, so this is a good working of your algebraic technique with big numbers. And when we add these all up, we'll get 29,700. And you can add those 0, 7, and carry 1, 29. No carry 1. 0, 10, carry 1, 7, 9, and 2. So 29,700. Then divide both sides by 1480. 5. And x equals what? Goes in there exactly 20 times, believe it or not. So 20 pounds of the 585 coffee. And then 2x minus 7. Well, 2 times 20 is 40. 40 minus 7 is 33, so I'd have 33 pounds of the 450 coffee. There you go. So some nice big numbers, but not too much more difficult once you figure out how to assign your variables over here. So this was the tricky part right over there. Okay, so again, you can always try these again or other ones because we had other ones on our worksheet.